Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity Jack Ma. Jack Ma is one of the richest people in the world, having a net worth of over 25.1 billion. Originally born in poverty, he has become an idol for millions through his struggle and lifetime achievements. Jack's business career began in the early 90s after getting introduced to the internet. In the early few years, he established and ran multiple small-scale companies. But in 1999, he founded the business-to-business marketplace site Alibaba, which later on not only changed his own life but the whole world as well. Since its establishment, the company has grown into a multinational technology company and now owns a diverse portfolio of companies in several business sectors. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Jack Ma Yong. Nickname Jack. Profession Chinese business magnate. Years active 1988 to present. Ethnicity Asian. Zodiac sign Libra. Date of birth September 10, 1964. Age 59 years as of 2024. Place of birth Hangzhou, Hexiang, China. Residence Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China. Nationality Chinese. Religion Taoism and Buddhism. Education. College Hangzhou Normal University. Chiang Kong Graduate School of Business. Education qualification Graduate. Career. Jack Ma is a very successful personality, but he has struggled a lot for that. He was rejected for around 30 jobs and he was very desperate. Jack Ma went to the United States in search of a job, and there he got to know about the internet. Around the 90s, internet was not so popular in China. He started his online firm in China named China Yellow Pages. He became extremely successful in no time. Jack Ma got his first computer when he was 33 while working for a company named China International Electronic Commerce Center. Although he left the job in 1999 and started his company named Alibaba, it was a B2B marketplace. Alibaba became popular in no time and it became a global success. Jack Ma has won plenty of awards for his phenomenal achievement as a business and also as an entrepreneur. Asian Awards in 2015 named him as the Entrepreneur of the Year. He was also honored with the Business Person of the Year award in 2007. He has also remained the richest Asian for quite some time. He has done plenty of charity and he has helped various organizations. Jack Ma is a phenomenon and his achievements are quite exemplary. Family. Father Malai Fa. Mother Chiu Wen-chai. Wife or spouse. Spouse Jade Hang Yang, married 1988. Children Ma Yuanbao, Ma Yuanan-kun. Physical statistics and more. Height 4 anna 11 4 inches or 152 cm. Weight 59 kg or 130 pounds. Eye color black. Hair color black. Distinctive feature short and slight body. Net worth. His net worth is around 25.1 billion US dollar. Interesting facts. Growing up, Ma learned English on his own by speaking with English speakers at Hangzhou International Hotel. He used to travel 70 miles on his bicycle to give tourist tour of the area to practice his English for 9 years. One of his pen pals nicknamed him Jack as he wasn't comfortable pronouncing his original name. In 1995, he founded China Yellow Pages, the first internet company ever established in China. In 1998, he was hired to head an IT company set up by the China International Electronic Commerce Center, which falls under the Ministry of Foreign Trade and Economic Corporation. He quit his job in 1999. In 1999, Jack Ma founded Alibaba.com, a business-to-business commerce site. Since then, Alibaba has grown exceptionally, becoming one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. In 2004, China Central Television and its viewers selected Ma as one of the top 10 business leaders of the year. In his youth, he struggled a bit with his studies as he had to give college entrance exam for 4 consecutive years before he could eventually get admission in one college. After completion of his college studies, he struggled to find a job as his applications for about 30 different jobs were rejected. In 2017, he was placed on the second spot in the Fortune magazine's list featuring World's 50 Greatest Leader. Favorite things: favorite cuisine, Thai, Indian. Favorite snacks, cheeseburger. Favorite baseball team, Baltimore Orioles. House: Jack Ma lives in a luxurious house which is located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China. Social media profiles: Facebook 542,000 followers, X handle 656.8 thousand followers, Instagram 48.7 thousand followers.